People of the YouTuber, tuba like a tuba, bringing it back old school, walking into the chair, tuba like a tuba. It is Multiplier here. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. The birds are singing. And this is not a sponsored video. I will repeat, this is not a sponsored video. It's a video about a thing, an awesome thing, and that thing is this, loudness penalty, telling you loudness for each of these platforms. But importantly, as I shall show you, why it's important. As you can see, and as I keep telling everyone, the best tracks in the world are still way too loud. I mean, take a look at this. You can see how much it's getting turned down. So this means that Spotify will literally turn the track down 9.9 dB, looking something like this. This is literally what's happening, resulting in, of course, a smaller dynamic range, a smaller difference between the loudest sounds and the quietest, making the track objectively worse. But what if the track's too quiet? Let me show you on an unmastered file. So this is unmastered but normalized, and so it's peaking at 0. Now, let's see what would happen. Fast forwarding using computer magic. Let me see it. Ah, that's fine. You can see that I'm hovering over YouTube. So it looks like YouTube wouldn't allow us normalize here. And in fact, I could increase the level nearly 3 dB without any issues. Now, though, looking at this is 3 dB quieter than it should be, or 3 dB quieter than it could be for YouTube. Anyway, to loudness normalize, Spotify would turn it up. In this case, 1.5 dB. And in fact, it will use a limiter to catch those peaks to avoid clipping, as proved here. And this isn't a great limiter, so it's not ideal. In the case of Tidal, similar to YouTube, but just not quite as much of an issue, only 1.6 dB too quiet. And when played on Pandora, it'll clip. It'll be turned up to loudness normalized, just like Spotify, but instead of using a limiter, it'll clip. The iTunes is an estimate here, but you can see it's bang on, it's absolutely perfect at 0. No change in level. Marvelous. That is excellent times 2. I would say excellent times 3 or 4 even. So I will try to include a link below, but if not, type it into the Google, the internet, loudness penalty, and I'm sure you'll find it. There's a website or a plugin. You can choose which. I like the plugin and the website. So knowledge, I think it's very, very good. I will catch you guys on the flippity flip.